Welcome back to Review One Box. In today's video we are going to talk about the next generation of Mercedes AMG GT, so before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to enable notification alert for the upcoming videos. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram by using our official handle at Review One Box. Links are also provided in the description below. Mercedes is preparing a new generation of its AMG GT sports liftback, and recently, the first spy photos of the prototypes were published on the internet. Based on these spy photos, rendering has been depicted, giving us an estimated idea of its appearance. The new Mercedes AMG GT will get a squat, streamlined body inspired by the 2022 Vision GT concept. We can see the similarity in proportions due to the slightly forward-shifted cabin and the design of the front end. A large radiator grille will be located lower and further from the headlights, which will most likely be visually united by an LED bridge. We can assume that the headlights will also be inspired by the concept and will receive graphics in the form of a stylized three-pointed star. The relatively simple shape of the sidewalls and side glazing are the only things that visually unite the future sports car with the current model. At the same time, it will receive the same retractable door handles as some other new Mercedes models. The rear end is still the most camouflaged, but it is already clear that it will receive a completely new shape. There is a possibility that its design will be inspired by Vision EQXX. In addition to its appearance, the new AMG GT will be radically different from the current model in technical terms, because it will be the first fully electric car developed by the Mercedes-AMG division. The name of the new platform is AMG Electric Architecture, but other technical details are still kept secret. The official premiere of the next generation AMG GT may take place early next year. Until then, stay tuned to our channel for more information regarding vehicles. As always, thanks for watching. Like, comment and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.